I'm about to build an all-white gaming PC. Well, technically it's going to be a video editing PC because I'm a video editor, but we could also game on it as well with the 4070 there. Rocking the i9 3900K, which is a beast for video editing. The last time I built a PC case, I said to myself, I'm never going through this again. It stressed the hell out of me. So many things went wrong. So if you guys have any advice, be sure to put it in the comments. I definitely will check it out. I've only built one PC before, so I'm not expecting this to be smooth by all means. But it has to be done. And I'm going to make a separate video on why I moved from MacBook back to PC. Because usually they say once you go Mac, you never go back. Or wait, is that from somewhere else? I'm going to make a separate video on why I went back from MacBook to Windows. But for now, let's get building this thing. Follow to stay up to date on how the build's coming along.